Hey everyone! So your Wi-Fi is disabled on your Android phone and you can't turn it on. Let me show you how to fix that. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification bar. You should see your Wi-Fi icon there. If it's grayed out or disabled, we need to fix that. Alright, so open your Settings app. Look for Network and Internet or Connections, depends on your phone, and tap on that. Now, tap on Wi-Fi to open the Wi-Fi settings. Here's what you do. Toggle Wi-Fi off completely, wait about 5 seconds, then turn it back on. This basically refreshes your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure there's actually a Wi-Fi network available nearby for you to connect to. If you see your network in the list, tap on it. If it asks for a password, enter it and tap Connect. Sometimes just reconnecting to your network can fix the disabled Wi-Fi issue. Still not working? Another thing you can try, restart your phone completely. Hold the power button, tap Restart, and once it boots back up, check if Wi-Fi is working. If nothing works, you might need to reset your network settings. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on System, then find Reset Options, then Reset Network Settings or Reset Wi-Fi Settings. Just know this will forget all your saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords. And that's it. One of these should get your Wi-Fi working again.